Yo, what's going on, guys? Real fast, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to make your Photoshop project transparent as the background. Alright, so let's say you create a new project and you want it to have a transparent background rather than white or black or whichever other colors you have. All you're going to need to do is click this button right here to add a layer, okay? And then all you're going to want to do is either turn this off with the eye so it makes it to where you don't see this layer, okay? That's what the eye does. Or what you can do is you can click this lock right here and then just click delete if the layer that is black or the bottom layer that was your background is selected, as you can see with the lighter gray look, okay? Because when you select on the layer, then it's going to be lighter gray like that. So you're going to click delete and there you go. So that's multiple ways that you can turn your project into a transparent background on Photoshop. Hope this helps you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.